What's up, you guys? What's good? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Shred, which is my 12-week fat loss, like fitness, meal prep, healthy living type of journey. If you're passing by my channel, what's up? I'm Jordan. Thank you so much for being here. It's always extremely appreciated. I think you guys are going to love today's video because the #1 video request I've got for months and months has been to bring back more meal prep videos. And you guys know I'm a very creature of habit. I tend to make the same thing all the time just because I don't get sick of it. And that's what's helped me personally on my fitness journey, but I know you guys want more variety of meals. So today I did 3 meals that I have never done on my channel, which is hard to do because I've done so many meal prep videos in the past. And everything was under 30 bucks. I was able to buy all the ingredients for breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner, all for under $30, which is awesome. I know when I was living in the dorms at college, didn't have much money, but didn't want to just buy a bunch of fast food and shit and just feel disgusting. It'd be really nice if I had a grocery list back then or someone to look up to who would organize everything for me on a budget. So I'm gonna ask you guys to please go ahead and check the description box in this video. I'm gonna list how much each item was and where I purchased everything, so you can literally expand the description box on your cell phone and take a screenshot and then head into the store, get your own ingredients, and make these meals at home. I really hope that they're able to help you guys on your own fitness journey. So the little clip that you guys just saw at the beginning of the video was me weighing in and waking up early yesterday morning. My second week of my cut is officially over. I'm actually on the second day of the 3rd week, and I'm so excited and crazy to say that I have lost 6 pounds in the first 2 weeks and 2 days. The first week I think I lost 2.8 and then 3.2 in the second week. I am feeling amazing. I have the most mental clarity that I've had, and my body looks the best that it's looked in a year and a half. If you followed my channel a while, I've gone up and down in my weight, and I've dealt with binge eating, and I've been really open with you guys about everything I've been through. And right now I am so one-track mind, just ready to freaking kill this cut and look amazing and feel amazing at the end of it. And I feel incredible. Please be sure you're also on my Instagram, because I've been posting on my Instagram story my meals and stuff like that, but I promised I'd update you guys every week as the cut goes along what progress I have. I've been recording all my workouts. I just actually recorded a full body workout with my mom this morning. She was super cool. She let me train her. She didn't complain or anything. She did everything I told her to. That video is gonna be really cool, probably be up in 2 days. But in the first morning clip, I wanted to go over a few things that I use with you guys. So when I started the Shred series, I let you guys know my body fat and everything like that. And I was using the Body Analyzer scale. If you've been on my channel a while, you already know I wanna say I've used this scale for over 2 years. This is actually the second one because at my old apartment, Christian somehow put it in the bath after he had a bath one night and it stopped working, so I had to order a new one. But the scale is amazing. If you are on a weight loss journey, please get this scale. It tells you your accurate body fat percentage, lean muscle mass, your water retention. It's so much better than just a generic scale, which just gives you a number, because sometimes your actual weight will not go down because you're increasing your muscle, but your body actually looks better and your body fat percentage may be dropping, which is what I totally want to see over the next 12 weeks because I am killing it in the gym. I'm building up a solid layer of muscle. So some days if I don't go down in weight necessarily, but my body fat percentage keeps going down, I'm just gonna look better and better. So if anyone is on a fitness journey, I highly recommend this. I've mentioned it in my videos before. They gave me a coupon code for you guys a year ago. I double checked, it's still active. I'll leave it down below. I'm super honest with you guys always about everything. I'm not paid per sale on this, but they did team up with me to give you guys a promo code, if that makes sense. So you guys are the ones who are letting me work with companies and using my links for stuff, so I'm able to continue this channel. So thank you so very much.